you guys, it's Melissa Miller here from Miller's Rustic Sawmill, and I am joining you guys live tonight on the Essential Stencil page. But I am going to be doing what I consider to be batch creating. And so this is the set that is restocked right here, Love Like Jesus. This is a 6-pack, and then there's a bonus heart set in here for free. So you can make yes, multiples of one design. So when you get a set of stencils, you can also do what I would call batch creating with even just this one set. So it doesn't, like, if you really like one of them, and you're trying to maybe stock your booth, or you're trying to, you know, prep for a show or something, this is going to be like, you can grab one set and you can create multiples. And you can do them in different colors, or you can do them all in the same color. So what I have pulled tonight, I've pulled a few different sets. Okay, I have out here in front of me, I've got 6 different blocks. And so I've got my painter's tape. So I've got this one set, Love Like Jesus, right? So that would look like me setting this down here. And this is, again, how you can batch create with one set and still get the same effect. But I'm gonna come over here, I'm gonna get a little bit of paint on my brush, and I'm gonna offload it. It is a very deep dark gray. Just one design that I'm using here. This is Love Like Jesus, and I'm gonna pick it up and I'm gonna move it to the next twin. Thank you, Kathy. So then we'll have one block done. Look at how elegant and pretty that is on that off-white. That's so nice. Okay, so let's do it again. It's a little bit smaller. So let's go ahead and do 4 of these. We'll do 4 of these signs tonight, like this. And okay, so now I've got 4 of these right here, just like this. Let's go ahead and do actually these two black ones. I've got black squares here, and I think I'm going to do everything in love with that. Because you can see here, I just changed 3 different brushes. Look at how nice that looks on the black. Black and white, so simple. Look at how good those look. Just simple black and white. You don't have to get crazy creative, and you want to talk about like a curated display. If I put all of these into a basket with the black and the white together and the neutrals, that's going to instantly be able to create a nice display with, and then I could add pops of color with other things. Okay, so these, let's turn these over. These are the backs, and I'm going to leave them wood because I kind of like that idea. So I'm going to make sure they're all going the right way, and we're going to create on the back of these. We're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to pull out some of these. So these are the American Veteran, and I told you guys last week I thought that the patriotic or anything like that is always going to be something good to put on a reverse or on anything really. So let's see. This is just folk art navy blue, and I'm going to just stencil right over this, all one color. Looks very good. Looks good on the wood. Again, you guys, this is just some simple creating tonight. It's not anything real creative. So we've got 2 of those. Those are great. I know it's backwards, I'm sorry. There's our front, right? So just some little meaningful decor. If you are somebody who is a seller, you are probably thinking about some of those things that, you know, oh, I've got to prepare for this, and I've only got, you know, maybe you only have so many hours to prepare for a show, or maybe you work another job and you come home and you've got signs to make for, you know, you're prepping for a booth that you have on the side, and you don't have all the time in the world to sit down and craft for 5 hours like maybe you would like to. and you're just kind of in I gotta knock this out mode. This is a great video for you because I'm just showing you that you can do it. Look at that. That looks good. Let's take a look at this. Look at those. Those look so good. So good. Okay, so I've got 2 more to do. Maybe this live will make you kind of look at the stencils a little bit differently, with things that maybe you might want to do yourself and batch create. Those look good, good, good. I love it. Okay, okay. That looks good. I feel like that looks good. You guys, I want to know if you think that this is a good way to create. If you liked it, if you liked me showing you all of this. Okay, let's get this up and let's go through these. Okay, so here we go. I've got 2 of these. Do anything in love? So now we've got a whole set of designs that are gonna hang out really great together in a display. So we've got 1, 2. Let's try to stand these up. And we've got 2 of these. Like Jesus. Thank you, veteran. On the back. So we've got 2 of those. And I did pairs of 2 and 2 of these. Same, love like Jesus, but all gave some and some gave all. So really, I guess I said 10 signs, but it's, whoa, dominoes. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 reversible. So really, all in all 12, because we did 6 reversibles. So I think we just created, essentially, I say, okay, so 6 times 2, front and back. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you're going to try this. Let me know. Please use my code MRS2019 at checkout. So go shop our site. If you need some surfaces or you need some wood surfaces, you can check out Miller's Rustic Sawmill, and you can shop our app or our website also. So thanks, you guys. I hope you have a great rest of your week, and I will see you hopefully next Tuesday. Bye.